Is she crooked again? Look, I'm gonna just say this, y'all. If I'm crooked again like I was in the last Temu haul, it just is what it is. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bridupre coming back at you with another video. This mic might die, and if the audio gets crazy, I apologize. I couldn't find my other mic, so I'm using this one, and it hasn't been charged. So it is what it is. I thought I would come up here today and share another haul with you guys. You guys seem to be loving that, so why not do another one? Another Temu. So if you guys watched my last video, you'll know that the whole reason why I purchased something on Temu was for these heart-shaped bags because it was around Valentine's Day. Well, we have since secured the bag, okay, and some other things, so I thought I would just share another Temu haul. So if you're interested in that and you're interested in seeing what I have bought, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends, and maybe also do some shopping so I don't feel like an idiot just buying things and sharing it with you guys. So let's just get through some of the things that fell out the bag, or some of the things that I've used already, because I've had this purchase for a couple of weeks now and I really want to record this haul so I can put these things away. I'm sorry if my energy is not as crazy as it usually is. It has been a week. It has been a week, and we will talk about all of that in a get ready with me chit-chatty version sometime, whenever. But for right now, we're just gonna focus on this Temu haul. So first thing I got, these things for your feet. It's like its own little pedicure kit. You know, you've got your cheese grater, cuticle cutters. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this is, and I don't know if I want to know what that is. That looks like a murder weapon. But it was very cheap, and I noticed my feet lately have been going through it, and I can't afford to get a pedicure right now. So I decided to do that. The cheese grater mixed with an exfoliating body scrub. Who needs a pedicure at that point? I got this really cute thing. I hope it works. Look at how cute. I'll open it up for you guys. So cue the ASMR. Okay, so this is essentially like little rounds. So it could be like for cupcakes, for eggs. It can fit in your Instant Pot, which is what I bought it for. But I also thought it'd be cute, like if I put it in a pan and I wanted to make perfectly shaped, like over easy eggs or whatever, just to make my like avocado toast more aesthetic or something. I thought this could be a cool idea. So we'll try it out together. I bought an Instant Pot, and I've been really trying to get into some Instant Pot recipes. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe as well. Okay, let's talk about the whole reason why we made this purchase, since the bags came back in stock. So here is the highly anticipated heart-shaped bag. So one of the cons is you don't have a zipper up here. You just have a zipper right here. So you literally just get this amount of space in the entire bag. That's it. The rest of the bag is just for decoration, apparently, and this is only meant for a small setting. So if you're somebody who only carries like a wallet, like an ID or whatever, like your phone's not even going to fit in here unless you've got one of those new flip phones. So just bear that in mind. This is very much for like date night or going out to the club and just being minimal. So you've got a crossbody that attaches, that comes inside that circular thing. I love that it's gold hardware. I love a rose gold and a gold, and it's super fuzzy. I also bought it in black, so I think it's like maybe $5 each, if I'm being honest. And I also got it in black, and I think that that's super cool. And I'm so excited because right now I'm actually also using a heart-shaped purse, but it's like I get a subscription box from Savage X Fenty, and for Valentine's Day you could pick a package, and it was like a heart-shaped little wrist bag, and it has stuff inside. So I've been using that, and I can transfer now. I'm probably gonna go with this black one just because it will not look dirty as fast, and use the pink one for special little date nights or whatever. But super excited. I did buy a sponge with a handle, a scrubber with a handle, and I just feel like, hear me out. So I'm trying to deep clean my bathtub. If you guys watch one of the cleans with me, you'll know. And the soap scum or whatever it is not coming off. But I did notice it was coming off if I scrubbed hard enough. So I just got this, and it is really like rugged. And what I'm looking for is to really scrub and deep clean my like shower and like my bathtub. I bought some more of those earrings that we talked about, so you guys can actually see now the clear backs that it comes with. I don't know if I accidentally threw them away from the last ones or what. So unlike the last ones that were silver, these are all gold. And they're very cute. You even got like a pair of shears in here, which I thought was super adorable. And this is the backing it comes with. So it just comes with these clear backs. What I was saying in the other video why these are so unique is because instead of it being metal or gold or something like that, your stem is very much plastic and flimsy. So I imagine it's more comfortable for the ear. I imagine it makes it cheaper, more obtainable. And there's just really cute little, there's like hearts and moons and stars and dice, and it's just like very, very cute multiple pairs. So I figured I've got the silver one, why not get the gold? Oh, these are cute. I got these pair of sunglasses. How are we feeling? Like spring is coming. Like how are we feeling about this? I'm here for it. I feel like this is a winner. Like $2-3, and it also comes in black. So those are super cool. Again, if I can find everything, I'll try to link it below. I'm not sure how easy it's gonna be. What else? Okay, I got a lot of the stuff, so if I'll link my other haul in the cards, but if you watch that one, you'll know how I said, oh, I thought I checked out everything and I didn't. Yeah, so I got some of the stuff I did not check out on accident. So I got this lady. She's supposed to be clean, to be able to help you clean the microwave. I think you put like vinegar or like lemon juice or something in here, and then you start your microwave and it steams out and it's supposed to help you clean it. I do like monthly goals, and one of my goals this month is to clean my microwave. I don't use it that much, so it doesn't get dirty that much, but it is dirty now, so I do want to clean it. And I thought, how cute would that be? So I think I'm gonna record a really like big clean with me, or a 2-part clean with me, because my house is severely dirty. If you guys don't know, I suffer from depression, and it really holds me back from finding the productivity or the energy to clean. But got some free time on my hands recently, unplanned, so I think we could try to get around to that. I've already been trying to do some cleaning here and there, but I might record it because I know you guys like those, and you guys will see her. What should we call her? I think we should call her Lulu. Lulu the lady. So you guys will see Lulu. This was the case that those glasses came in. They didn't just have like random sunglasses, and it even came with a little napkin cleaner. So just so you guys know, they didn't just throw some sunglasses in the bag. I did get a shirt, first clothing item from Temu, so we'll see how it fits. But it says I don't know, I don't care, and I don't give a fuck, which really is my attitude, and just needs to be my attitude on an everyday basis. It looks like it'll fit me. I believe I got it in a 4X. Again, you guys, this stuff is coming from China. Just bear that in mind. It seems soft. Did I get it in a 4X? What size did I get it? Yeah, got it in a 4X. Again, I'm an 18. And it looks like it'll fit me well. So just got this new like sponge holder thing. Let me open it up. Let me give her an open and open her up to see all the things she can do. So essentially your sponge and everything goes like, oh, that's cool. You can take it out and like, so you can take that out. But anyways, essentially your sponge, everything goes in here, and then you fasten this like around your sink. This thing I have now, my mom gave me, and it just falls like every 2 seconds, and it's really super annoying. So I'm gonna try to switch to this and see if it works. But it's just like something that holds your sponge and stuff up. I got this to put on the mirror. It says, "Shut up, you look good." I think that'd be very cute. I might put it on my bathroom mirror. Or my full body mirror. We'll see. What did I get in this box? It's been so long I've forgotten. Oh, okay. I got a little dispenser for like Q-tips. I thought it'd be cute. I do use Q-tips. You feel free to judge me if you want to. So it's just like a little dispenser. You put the Q-tips in there and you just pull them out. I thought that'd be cute. I'm trying to get my my bathroom together. So what else is there? What else? This is really cool. So this goes on a hanger, and these are like little clips. So the way it was marketed was supposed to be like a hat holder or something for you to be able to put all your hats on here on a hanger, like in your closet. I'm going to use this for sports bras, and like just like that kind of stuff. Sports bras, I might clips. I bought 2 of these. I might use one to clip bandanas because I do have quite a bandana collection. I just feel like the bandanas and sports bras need to be on a hanger, because the way that I store my bras right now, it doesn't really show me all my bras, so I'm not using all the bras, or I'm forgetting about the bras. Same for the bandanas. I'm looking for a black one, I find the white one. It's a whole mess. So trying to organize the walk-in closet just a little bit more. And this is how it comes originally. So this is the other one I bought. So I bought 2 of those. And we just have some fewer, like, smaller things here. A smaller haul than before. So let's just go. I got some of these. Here, let's do this. I bought these other standalone earrings. I thought these were very cute. They're black and then squarish. And it's outlined in, like, gold with, like, little Swarovskis or whatever those are. So those are cute earrings. What else? Okay, I got 2 things of rings. Let's just open these up because I'm actually fascinated to see if my fat fingers will fit these at all. Yeah, none of these. I mean, if you have like a regular fingers and you're like a smaller sized human being, then you probably could like fit these. This is how they look on me. So cute builder rings, just maybe would need ones down here that actually fit my fingers. But very, very cute. You've got like a little moon and star. You've got like, this one's very cute. It's like a heart, so it's like kind of open. It's like a little heart ring area. So pick the right day to tear off my nails. And testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing. How about me? Show off my hands, didn't I? So that's one set of rings. The other rings I got were also gold, but they look more clunky. So we're gonna show those next. That's very adorable, right? But it just, nothing will fit more than like on my pinky for some reason. So I thought these were adjustable, but I thought wrong. That's sort of how this set looks. So you've got like a little flower here. Very much more white and gold versus just like gold. You've got this pink cute little ring that says, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says love. And so you've got like a little mushroom. You just got like cute like little rings. So if you've got small hands or just apparently regular average size shaped hands, give it a go. Or if you have children, it will fit them. This is not for me. All right, and then we just got 3 more things. So I don't know if you guys, a long time ago, I bought from Shein a thing that said put me down. Oh, this isn't even it. You guys already saw this. I bought something else that's like a wall sticker. Apparently, I really like wall stickers. Who would have thunk it? So this one just says bathroom. I think I'm gonna put this on my bathroom door. I think that's so cute. It's just like a little girl in the tub. Like, how cute is that? So I think I'm putting this on the bathroom door. And then I just bought 2 necklaces I just want to share with you guys. I already know I'm gonna need necklace extenders for these. Like, that's already a fact. Oh, I just got 2 little crystal okay, so they both came like this. Here we fucking go. Oh no, this one's actually broken. Yeah, don't buy any necklaces from Temu. I'm gonna go ahead and just say that here. This is how the other one came. Already clipped. and broke off. So I'm gonna just say here and now, just don't buy necklaces from them. I'm just gonna say that their necklaces aren't good. I don't care how cheap their necklaces are. If they come broken, I don't care how cheap their necklaces are. If they come broken, they just shouldn't be worn. And like, these are 100% not real crystals, just so you guys know that. Like, I don't think that. I just think that it's so crazy that this is what, like, this is absolutely crazy. And honestly, it pisses me off. So yeah, there it is. It is what it is, I guess. So yeah, that's it for this haul. You guys, just don't buy necklaces from Temu. They're just not good. Like, everything else I've gotten from them, I highly recommend, but just not the necklaces. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I promise you, we have way more fun over here than this video. I promise you that. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. Thank you on 500 subscribers. That's been a goal of mine for quite some time, and I'm glad that we smashed it in 2023. Started the year off right as far as the YouTube channel is concerned. Please share me with your friends and subscribe to me. I'm trying to get up there, y'all. I know YouTube's dead, but I'm not. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.